I just recently hit the $20,000 per month mark in my online business in 2021 in March so far. This is going to be a very valuable blueprint on how exactly I earn $20,000 a month online, both actively and mostly passive income from all sorts of online streams of income from me working from home. I'm going to show you proof of all of my earnings right now that add up to $20,000. At the end of this, I'm going to show you two tools that I recently found this week that is making my money twice as passive, that is doing most of the work for me. This is not limited to any country. You can do this worldwide. You get paid in various different methods. And a great bonus or plus to this is that regarding your earnings, you earn in US dollars mostly or euros. And you can choose how much money you wish to bring into your country. I live in South Africa. I regulate how much dollars I convert into my rands account. So how much money you decide to bring into your country is how much you get taxed on. Obviously, if you hit the tax requirements or the tax threshold in order for you to get taxed, which is great. So you can decide how much money you want to get taxed on, and you won't get taxed on everything as long as you keep it in dollars. Also a disclaimer, I'm not encouraging you to not pay tax at all. Obviously with all of the earnings, if you're self-employed, if you're an employee or any kind of way that you're making money, it's the right thing to do to keep up to date with your tax and submit all your earnings. Step number one, we're going to be going out there to find a membership-based digital product that will pay us affiliate commissions as an affiliate. I've got multiple platforms in mind to show you where you can get the perfect affiliate product. I'm going to show you two of mine that I promote. This first stream of income is called affiliate marketing, but not the normal way most people do it. We're not going to spam affiliate links everywhere or anything like that. And we're going to be choosing a digital membership-based product where your referral pays you a commission every single month. So what you can do is you can come over to a website called Capterra. Just type in Capterra on Google. Over here it will be capterra.com or .co.za. On the top right, come over to software categories over here. You can choose throughout many of these different categories here. So for example, if we come over to buyer intent software, and we see over here is a tool called Lead Feeder, we can just come over to Google and type in Lead Feeder affiliate program. The whole point of this is just a quick, here you can see here the partner program for Lead Feeder. The whole point of this is just a database to show you tons of different software products that you can become an affiliate for anywhere in the world and promote anywhere in the world, because you don't need any inventory or any physical products or anything like that. And you can promote it with the strategy that I'm going to show you. So that's number one, is finding your digital product. The two main affiliate products that I promote is called builderall.com and Kartra.com, which are both builder businesses in a box where we can build funnels, pages, collect leads, build membership areas, support tickets. It's basically an entire online business in a box for online entrepreneurs that want to build their landing pages, their funnels. So Builderall and Kartra is very similar to that of ClickFunnels, but it's just an alternative, which I actually prefer to ClickFunnels, if you've heard of that before. So both of these tools have affiliate programs. All you do is scroll down to the bottom. Builderall will have a partners page over here, or affiliate page over here. Just click on affiliate page. You can sign up as an affiliate. Kartra over here as an affiliate program over here, so you can sign up for their affiliate program. Just to show you my Builderall affiliate backend so far, what I've earned from Builderall in total and what I'm earning every month. Over here on my Builderall franchise system, I'm currently earning $4,346 every single month passively without doing any work. That is passive income that's coming into my account literally while I eat, sleep, and poop. So far in total, I've earned a total of $122,000 online with the Builderall affiliate program, which I've been promoting for about a year and a half now. And right now I have about $2,000 available in my wallet, which I've requested to withdraw, and I've been paid a total of about $120,478 so far, and that's just through their affiliate program. With Kartra, I've recently been promoting for the last 4 months. I've already earned $22,722, $619 in reserve, $619 due this week, and over $22,000 paid so far. So this program is now paying me about $2,500 a month passively while I do nothing, complete passively. So if I add this up so far, that's now on average $2,500. The thing is, it varies from month to month. I'm just taking the average from Kartra, and then if I take the 4,346 on Builderall, we're now at $6,800 passively every single month. And then on my Kartra dashboard, where I sell courses, I sell my own drop servicing services through my landing pages, my own e-commerce stores, all sorts of stores I've got running. generate me on average about $5,000 a week. This week so far, I've had $4,882 in revenue. So let's take an average of, I've had some weeks of over $8,000. Let's take an average of $5,000 a week. So that's 5,000 times 4. And everything together turns out to be about $26,846 per month. Most of this income is earned passively. So this is all just calculated to show you proof that that's where this title of this video comes from and how I'm going to be making this video. The first thing I do is build a bridge page for the offer that I'm promoting. It's either a video-based page or a bonus-based offer page. So over here you can see is my page that I use to promote the Kartra affiliate program. This is what you call a bonus-based page. So with the Kartra affiliate program, I have built over 10 funnels and over $5,000 worth of giveaways and bonuses to help you succeed with Kartra and as a Kartra affiliate. So over here you can see if I scroll down, I give away this funnel over here. You can see a whole bunch of done for you funnels that value out to be about $5,000. And why I do this is because I want to give my leads a reason to join this program or join this tool or to solve their problems and have that advantage over my competition. There's a lot of other people promoting Kartra out there. Why join my affiliate link? Well, if you join my affiliate link, I will give you over $5,000 worth of bonuses, done for your landing pages, and a kick boost included with your Kartra account to help you out. This is why you should join me. That's why I really recommend creating a bridge page. This is another bridge page I've got over here for a tool that I promote called Video Marketing Blaster, where I collect people's names and emails and build an email list and send out promotion emails and email sequences to that entire email list to get tons of affiliate commissions and sales passively while the email automation software does all of that for me. So that's why it's so powerful to have a landing page or bridge page that also collects emails. To build these kind of pages and to collect all these emails, I use a tool called Kartra.com, like I explained in the beginning of this video over here. This is what your dashboard looks like. You've got over here My Communications, where you can set up your forms, all your emails that are automatically sent out. Over here on the Pages tab, which looks like this, you can import, if I click on plus page over here, over hundreds of different page templates such as quiz pages, video sales pages over here, which you can import and use to build your bridge pages for your builder offer, your Kartra affiliate program, or whatever it is that you want to promote. And if you want to claim these $5,000 bonuses down below with all these landing pages, you can use the link in the description to my Kartra link. You'll see Froneman Kartra plus $5,000 bonuses. It's a link down below. These Kartra bonuses are completely for free. You don't have to buy Kartra or use Kartra, and you can keep these bonuses forever. Like I said, just a way to kick boost you in your path to success with Kartra and affiliate marketing. The third thing I have is a YouTube channel. Now, before you click off thinking you're going to make videos, record your own content, record your own face, and produce content on a daily basis, I'm going to show you 2 tools that I recently found that will do all of this for you. Now, why I really like YouTube is because with YouTube, you can build well over 9 streams of income online. It's probably the best platform in today's world to build a big business online fast. Yes, it means a lot of people need to get out of their comfort zones, but honestly, if you don't want to produce content and a business online, it's an excuse and you can't expect things to work for you. But I'm going to give you a head start. What you can do is with your channel. So I produce all of my content by myself on camera. You can actually go and use a tool over here called morph.com. It's morphvip.com/launch special. And this is a tool that will generate tons of done for you content with overlaid videos. So all you do is you enter a keyword into the web app. It will give you a list of ready to use articles and blog posts. You click the convert button and it will turn it into a video. So what you can do is you can go type here, top 10 Kartra tips. Click on this, the beginner's guide to Kartra.com. Click on this, take the link to this article, enter this into the Morph video tool over here, and it will turn this entire Kartra beginner's blog into a done for you video for you. You can upload this video to YouTube with the title over here, for example, the best guide to Kartra and succeeding with the Kartra affiliate program. Have your link to your landing page or your bridge page, such as this one over here in the description of your videos, and get tons of signups and affiliate commissions with Kartra as YouTube organically grows your YouTube channel. So what's nice about the Morph tool, you can literally have unlimited content ideas. You can come over to Google again over here and just type in how to earn with Kartra. click on enter over here, you can see 7 best ways to make money with Kartra. Just copy that entire article, make that into a video with the morph tool over here and post that on YouTube. And then what you can also do is you can use a tool called autotube.org/live, which is a brand new app that will drive free automated YouTube traffic and sales in just 30 seconds without recording or sharing a single video and no monthly fees. It takes 3 clicks and you'll get tons of free traffic in just 60 seconds of work. You don't need to produce any videos yourself. You don't need to rank your own videos. You don't need to have any ranked videos. You can just use the videos that you've created with the morph tool. And this tool currently is costing $19. Over here, you'll see results of some people getting tons of affiliate commissions and sales through the AutoTube tool that they're using on their YouTube channel. And not only are they making money through YouTube ad revenue, and by the way, that one stream of income I actually forgot to show you in this video was YouTube ad revenue, which was about another $5,000 per month on my YouTube channel over here. So if you think about that, you've now got your Kartra for the program paying you. You've got the email automation software on Kartra paying you tons of commissions through those automation sequences. You've got your YouTube channel earning you ad revenue. And over time, what you can do is, if you want to, you can come over to a website called udemy.com over here. Just search, for example, affiliate marketing. Just click on enter. You can take a whole bunch of these free affiliate marketing courses over here. Just click on price, click on free over here. There's over 74 of them currently. Watch all of them. Create your own paid affiliate marketing course, put that in the description of your videos, and you can also get paid through mentoring. That's through your course. And what's nice about a course, it just takes maybe a day to record your course, and you can make thousands of dollars every single day after that passively, because you don't need to record the course again and again. You record it once and it will make money for you for the next couple of years for that you have it launched. But make sure to advertise your course legitimately. Don't offer any false promises or anything like that. You don't need to flex fake Lambos or houses in the sales page of your course. Just be transparent about it when promoting it, as that will build a lot of trust with people, which can actually lead to more sales for you. The next thing I have is a TikTok page. I'm using the virality of TikTok to blow up my YouTube channel, which blows up course sales, that blows up affiliate sales, and that blows up my email subscribe list. So I mean, for example, this video I posted last night, less than 12 hours ago, already got 31,000 views. That got me about 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and about an extra 5,000 views on YouTube, simply because I have a link in the bio of my TikTok account. I've currently in the last 4 months grown up to about 105,000 followers on TikTok, and I'm posting every single day, small clips. What I'll go and do is I'll come over to Google and I'll type, for example, top finance tips, click on enter over here. We'll just take these top 10 tips for financial success, turn this into a small TikTok video, for example, me just talking at my desk like this, upload it, give value, and I'm getting anywhere between 15, some blowing up to 370,000 views. This one is close to 640,000 views. Some blow up, some stay at about normal 20,000, 12,000 views, 30,000. So I'm getting a lot of views on TikTok very quickly, which is a great way to blow up your YouTube channel, all your affiliate sales, tons of passive income from this, because you can turn all this traffic into sales and passive affiliate commissions. And I want you to comment down below, so far what you've noticed about this video, what is the most important thing that you need to do. In my opinion, if you've picked up a trend that's producing content, building an audience, building a brand, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, I've got an Instagram page as well, I've got a Facebook group with 75,000 members as well. And all I've been doing is, it's not that I'm different to you, it's not that I'm a famous person that has all these followers on social media. I also started with zero, as a nobody. No one knew who I was, straight out of high school, dropped out of university, produced content. All I did was I was consistent at it for a long time. Produced content every single day. I was consistent in my uploads. I didn't start YouTube with the hope of going viral. I produced content every single day for nearly 3 years. I have about 600 videos on my channel right now. If I come back here, all of these videos equate to about 600 videos. And my videos are getting really good views today. From a year ago, 490k views. I mean, if I filter by today, which is my newest videos, I'm getting anywhere between 2,000 and 10,000 views per video, which is really good. It's tons of ad revenue, tons of course sales, affiliate commissions, drop servicing sales, and tons of other streams of income, sponsorships, and that as well. And like I mentioned earlier in this video, I also mentor people. I teach people how to build successful drop servicing businesses. I've got an entire 6-figure drop servicing expert university / bootcamp or course where I hold your hand throughout the entire process, basically one-on-one mentoring, building your successful drop servicing store with you. Over here on the sales page, which will be the first link in the description, I've got an entire 26-minute free training or masterclass where I show you all the results from my stores, exactly what's in this course, and exactly how this program is basically better and has benefited me more than any university degree out there. This program is personal information that has taught me sometimes what a doctor has earned in a year in a month. My top store is on par to earning 7 figures in 2021 so far. It made over 6 figures in 2020. This course is all of the information that I've put together over the months to teach you this and exactly how you can replicate this. It is currently a paid program. This information is just far too valuable to put on YouTube completely for free. However, it is on huge special right now and there are very limited spaces left before the special ends. So currently it's going for $3.97. There's about 6 spots or 6 valid spots on this coupon or discount remaining so far. Once that ends, the price is going to go back up to $1.997, and a discount like this probably won't come for a long time. So if you come over to the first link in the description, enter this discount on the code. Like I said, there's about 6 valid left. Click on this blue button over here. I'll actually show you how to do it. Copy this coupon, come over to the checkout over here. Just wait for this to load up. Paste this coupon over here, click on this tick, and once you check out with that, you'll claim the course for $3.97, and there's only 6 spots remaining for this. So without further ado, make sure to go over to the first link in the description to claim this coupon before it expires.